Hello all, I Dr. Deepak welcomes you. Subject is basic of video camera, lights and sound, and today's topic is camera lenses. What is lens? Lens works on a principle of reflection, which means bending of light as it passes from one medium to the other. A lens is an optical device which transmits and reflects light, converging or diverging the beam. A simple lens consists of a single optical element. A compound lens is an array of simple lenses with a common axis. The use of multiple elements allows more optical anomalies to be corrected than is possible with a single element. Lenses are typically made of glass or transparent plastic. Normal lens. These lenses offer natural looking perspective. They are good for two sorts of people and mid sort, but they give slight distortion if you use them for close ups. Normal lens is not meant or not made up for close up or extreme close up shots. They give two shots and mid shot in a very good way. Focal length range of normal lens is about 18 mm to 55 mm. This lens is very close to our human eyes, generally used for almost everything, that is casual, street, portrait, food, product, videography or photography, etc. Normal lenses do not really have disadvantages. This is just a generic range of lens. Here is an example of normal lens output. Normal lens is basically used for portrait photography. You cannot create any specific effect using normal lens. We can create mid shots or two shots using normal lens. Next is zoom lens. Zoom refers to the lens being able to change the focal length. It can be wide lens, a normal lens, a telephoto zoom lens, or combination of lenses. Focal length of zoom lenses are 16 to 35 mm, 24 to 85 mm, 70 to 200 mm, 150 to 500 mm. Convenient lenses to use. No need to go on frenzy to change lenses. When we use zoom lens, we don't need to change lenses frequently. Zoom lenses may be convenient, but they are more complex mechanically. They may break if zoom mechanism is badly designed or have a poor quality. Here is an example of zoom lens output. Next one is prime lens. Opposite of zoom lens, prime lenses have fixed focal length. Without zoom mechanics, prime lenses are generally less complicated and more well built. Prime lenses also typically last longer than zoom lenses. A lens with a set focal length of 50 mm is one example of a prime lens. Prime lenses are better quality for photo and video because they are built around a specific number of set parameters rather than constantly fluctuating parameters like in a camera zoom lens. Here is an example of prime lens output. We can create creative shots or creative videos using prime lens. We can uh, do experiments with the focus of foreground and background. Next is telephoto lens. Telephoto lenses are longer than the average. In comparison to normal lenses or human eyes, telephoto can get really tight on the subject. Telephoto lenses compress space, making people and objects that are far apart appears really near one another, capable of shooting things from far away. Normally used to shoot nature, wildlife, and sports because cameramen cannot get too close to the subject. The focal length of telephoto lens ranges from 88 mm to 2000 mm anywhere. Here is an example of telephoto lens output. Telephoto lens, as we discussed, is used for wildlife photography, sports photography, or nature photography, where the cameraman cannot go near the subject. So we have to remain far from the subject or object, and the lens have such power that it can go close to the subject or object. Next one is macro lens. Macro lens are most often used to capture a very small object like an insect or a coin in very fine detail. It is somewhat like a microscope. It is used to take close-up shots of insects, flowers, and products. Open up a new world of photography, otherwise invisible to the naked eye. We can see such things using macro lens. We can click or shoot such things with the help of macro lens, which is otherwise invisible to the naked eyes. These lenses can be of any focal length, but often are in normal or short telephoto range of length. Here is an example of macro lens output. As we discussed, macro lens are used to shoot or to click insects in detail. Next one is wide angle lens. A wide angle lens is any lens with a set focal length that is shorter than the length of sensor of film. Lenses that are capable of capturing a wide angle of view, good for landscape, and environmental portrait photography, good for tall buildings. Normally, the focal length of wide angle lenses range from 8 mm to 35 mm. Wide angle lenses are basically used when there is less space between subject and camera, but we have to shoot bigger frame. So in this situation, we use wide angle lens. Here is an example of wide angle lens output. The building is very big. There is less space between camera and the building. Still, the frame is very wide. So for such shoot, we use wide angle lens. Next one is fish eye lens. A fish eye lens is designed for shooting very wide angle, usually 180 degree. A fisheye lens, also known as ultra wide or super wide lens, is a type of wide angle lens which can capture an extremely wide image, typically around 180 degree. The effect look great on action camera, style shots and many other subjects. For a full frame sensor, your fish eye focal length would be anything below 35 mm. The fish eye lenses are below the focal length of 23 mm. It can be of 10 mm, 15 mm, 20 mm, but less than 23 mm. And the fish eye lens are designed to shoot very wide angle, but not sometime, usually it create distortion in the video or frame. Here is an example of fisheye lens output. Very wide angle. In a short space, we are capturing 180 degree. Here is one more example. But as we can see, the fish eye lens distort the image, distort the perspective of video. In specific moments, in specific categories, we use fish eye lens. So this is all for today's session. We will meet with one new topic. Till then, thank you.